In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kanban in ClickUp. We'll set up the board view, customize it, and walk through how to read and update your tasks so your workflow is clear and easy to manage. Start by opening ClickUp and navigating using the left sidebar. Find the space where you want to manage work. Spaces are the highest level containers for your projects and teams, so pick the one that holds the tasks you care about. Once you're inside the space, look toward the top for the view controls. If your workspace already shows a board, you're set. If not, switch the view to board, Kanban. This changes your layout from a list to columns that represent your workflow stages. In most teams, that means to do, in progress, and complete. The board groups tasks by their status, giving you an immediate snapshot of what's waiting, what's being worked on, and what's finished. Let's talk about what you're seeing. Each column contains task cards. A card typically shows the task name, who it's assigned to, due dates, priority, and any other fields you've chosen to display. You can click a card to open full details, add subtasks, comments, or attachments, and then return to the board to keep moving. If the columns don't look quite right, open Customize View. Here, make sure you're grouping by status to keep the classic Kanban layout. You can reorder or show and hide statuses, decide which fields appear on each card, and choose compact or comfortable spacing. Filters are also handy here. For example, filter to only your tasks, only overdue items, or a specific priority. When you find a setup you like, save the view so you can come back to it easily and share it with your team if needed. Working the board is simple. Drag a task from to do into in progress when you start work. When it's ready, drag it into complete. This drag and drop action updates the task status automatically, keeping reports and dashboards accurate without any extra clicks. You can add work right from the board. Under any column, click Add Task to create a new card directly in that stage. Give it a clear title, assign it to the right person, set a due date, and add any key details. Because you created it under a specific column, the status is set for you. That's the core of Kanban and ClickUp. Choose your space, open the board view, customize it to show what matters, and keep tasks flowing across to do, in progress, and complete. Keep your board up to date, and it will keep you on track.